I'm Matt. I'm Ross. I'm Anthony. You're watching AmsterdamVideo.com.
Hey all, good morning. It's Saturday, November 8th, and last night, in the pitch black of night, I replaced this tire for the spare as I had run a flat. Yep, it's my flat tire. I didn't want to put it back in the rear as it needs to be repaired anyway. So I just popped it on the bench here. But now that it's daytime, I will be heading over to the garage to have them fix that tire and pop it back under again. Because replacing a tire once a week, I think that's enough. Yep, I of course could have called the ANWB to have them do it for me. ANWB is like the Dutch AAA service, you know, the mobile garage dudes that fix your car on the spot. But anyway, no, I did it myself because I think replacing a tire should be something you could do yourself. At least when the bolts are not too tight on. And I was lucky they weren't, so yeah, managed to do it myself. As I said, in the pitch black of night. Ah, it's sunny today. How awesome is that? I've arrived at the garage, but they only have time at 1:45. So for now I'll waste some time getting breakfast or something. I mean, it's now 11 AM, so I got an hour and 45 minutes to kill. Today I decided on going to IKEA. Yeah, good prices. 12 euros for a pretty big breakfast that will probably last me the whole day. Itadakimasu. Man, don't you just love the prices at IKEA's restaurant? I know I do. Awesome. Obviously, after filling up comes letting go. So let's go. Alright guys, back at the car. Time to leave IKEA. Alright, made it back to the garage. And while they're tinkering around with my Amsterdam video mobile, I'm here enjoying cappuccino and free Wi-Fi. Excellent service. So, me kampai. Busy. Well guys, done at the garage. All's well again. So yep, heading back to towards HQ. I think I'll head into town next, but I'll do that by public transit instead of using the car. As using the car and parking downtown, that's murderous. Then even repairing tires at the garage is cheap. So anyway, yep, on my way to do that. Oh man, the weather really is nice today. Awesome. I figured this is what's going on. Stage hunting rate. Oh yeah. At CoffeeMania, the alternative coffee store. That's nice. Old-fashioned storybook. How cute is that? Nice illustrations. Cute storybook. Deliciously old-fashioned. And I'm sure even though this is old in Dutch, you can recognize the fairy tales that are described here. And I'm wading through many pages at once. Nice. Apparently this book doesn't even have an ISBN yet. That must be quite old indeed. But anyway, this is it. There it is. But first, time for coffee. And there's like a music workshop going on. Something that has to do with this. Music generations. Anyway, cafe latte. Well guys, I was going downtown at first, but instead I went shopping around locally a bit. So anyway, I decided to head on back to HQ instead and keep little Miss Chibi company. I've been gone long enough already. Back at HQ with the little miss. Hey sweetheart. Hey sweetheart. Hey. Hey Chibi. Hey Chibi. Hey. How are you doing there, girl? Chibi. Chibi. I got it. Tug of war. Tug of war. Oh, can you manage, Chibi? Can you manage? You almost got it, because it's slipping from my fist. You almost got it. Oh, almost. Yeah, you got it. Oh, happy little girl. Oh, happiness. Ta 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 ta. Oh, sweetheart. You absolute gorgeous sweetheart. Angel. Well, the sun is setting, so I guess that's a good time for me to end today's video. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you again in the next video. Still have to get used to that. Anyway, cheerio.